Miguel.
By the fake news media, that's what they've done and what they're doing. We will never give up. We will never concede. It doesn't happen. You don't concede. Election, and everyone knows it, especially the other side. But you have to go home now. We have to have peace.
An assault on the most sacred of American undertakings, the doing of the people's business. Let me be very clear. The scenes of chaos at the Capitol do not reflect a true America, do not represent who we are. What we're seeing are a small number of extremists dedicated to lawlessness. This is not dissent, it's disorder, it's chaos, it borders on sedition, and it must end now.
Which nobody in Congress has read because of its length and complexity. It's called the COVID relief bill, but it has almost nothing to do with COVID.